Have you ever wondered how meteorologists actually measure the invisible force of the wind? From predicting hurricanes to designing skyscrapers and wind turbines, wind measuring instruments play a crucial role in shaping our modern world. Today on IT Observer, we'll explore the fascinating world of wind measurement, from the ancient wind vane to the high-tech sonic anemometer. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll see how something as invisible as air can be measured with scientific precision. Welcome back to IT Observer. On this channel, we dive deep into the technologies that shape our lives: weather science, energy innovation, space exploration, and much more. In today's video, we're covering wind measuring instruments, tools meteorologists, pilots, sailors, and engineers rely on to understand wind speed and direction. We'll talk about their history, how they work, and why they're more important than ever in our fight against climate change and for the future of renewable energy. Before diving into the instruments, let's understand the importance of wind measurement. Aviation. Aircraft need precise wind data for safe takeoff and landing. Marine. Navigation. Ships rely on wind measurement for safety in ports and at sea. Meteorology. Predicting storms, cyclones, and local weather patterns. Renewable. Energy. Wind farms depend on accurate measurements to optimize turbine placement. Engineering. Architects test how skyscrapers and bridges withstand strong winds. Without these instruments, we'd be blind to one of the most powerful forces of nature. The word anemometer comes from the Greek anemic, meaning wind. The first mechanical anemometer was invented in the 15th century by Leon Battista Alberti, making it one of the oldest scientific weather tools. Measures wind speed, different designs, cup anemometers, vane anemometers, hot wire, ultrasonic, converts wind motion into rotational or electronic signals and into readable speed. Standard at meteorological stations worldwide, used in weather balloons and drones for atmospheric studies. Essential in renewable energy, especially in wind farm planning. Invented in 1846 by John Thomas Romney Robinson. The cup anemometer became the gold standard of wind measurement. It has 3 or 4 cups mounted on arms, attached to a vertical shaft. Wind pushes the cups, causing them to rotate the faster the wind. The faster the rotation. The rotation is converted into wind speed. Weather stations, airports, and seaports. Wind. Farm monitoring. Simple, durable. Cannot measure for most uses. Cannot measure wind direction. Accuracy may drop in very turbulent conditions. The wind vane is the oldest wind instrument. Instrument dating back to ancient Greece. One of the earliest examples was on the Tower of the Winds in Athens. Arrow-shaped. Plate rotates freely on a vertical rod. The wider end catches the wind, pointing the arrow towards the direction the wind is coming from. Farmers, predicting weather. For agriculture, sailors, guiding ships at sea, rooftops, traditional decoration and weather tool. Instrument, measures applications, anemometer, wind speed, general meteorology, aviation cup, anemometer, wind speed. Weather stations. Wind farms, sonic anemometer, wind speed and turbulence, climate research. Smart cities, wind vane, wind direction, agriculture, navigation, rooftops, renewable energy. Wind farms depend on precise wind data. Disaster management, detecting hurricanes and cyclones. Aviation and marine, safety, in airports and shipping lanes. Engineering, designing wind-resistant skyscrapers and bridges. Smart tech, IoT-based weather stations. Drones and satellites, IoT integration. Smart weather stations connected to mobile apps. AI and big data, predicting microclimates in cities. Space. Exploration. Wind instruments used on Mars missions. Miniaturized sensors for drones and autonomous vehicles. So there you have it, the journey from the ancient wind vane to the futuristic sonic anemometer. These instruments may seem simple, but they are at the heart of weather forecasting, aviation safety, renewable energy, and climate research. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IT Observer. We bring you deep insights into technology, science, and innovation every week. And as always, let us know in the comments. Which wind instrument surprised you the most?